To the end, she was there since the beginning, so I'll never switch. I told her we gon' make it to the top, and when we get up there, I'm not gon' stop loving her. I ain't gon' put no one else above her. She my lady, and I wanna show her that this love will last forever.
Back to my channel. So today's video is going to be a little mini tutorial on this little fake wash and go right here. So if you want to see how I got this look, keep on watching. First thing I do is I split my hair into 4 sections. I split it up into 2, then I split this section up into 2 more on the bottom right section, just because it's easier. And then I take one of these things right here, and then I split that section into another section. On my hair, I think I'm gonna detangle it. Remember, kids, always start from the end when you detangle your hair. So I literally only use 2 things: this spray bottle, and I also use this Shea Moisture Curl Enhancing Smoothie. I spray. When I do this, I don't spray a lot of water. Like I'll spray just enough to get it damp. Like you can see that my hair is still, like my hair isn't shrinking up yet, even though my hair is wet. And that's also what I do to retain my length, because if I do wash my hair and then try to do a wash and go, I'll look like, oh, that Frederick Douglass meme. I think it's Frederick Douglass. And then I take the curl enhancing smoothie and I just run my fingers through it, just making sure that it gets on every single strand so my curls can be defined. And sometimes I don't really do like the whole shingling thing. You can see that I still have my length and I still have my curls. So I'm gonna detangle my hair, spray some water on it. And then I take the curl enhancing smoothie. I don't really have a specific way of how I put this stuff in my hair. I just make sure that it gets in there. Okay, so my first section is done. I still have my length and my curls are defined. This is my favorite part because, for one, I don't like to wait for anything to air dry. And 2, I don't like to wait for anything to air dry, especially my hair. So I'm using my blow dryer to just dry my hair. And I do this section by section because I do a smaller section like this, it takes less time. Curls are defined. So I'm just gonna let y'all watch me do the rest of it, just because, you know, it's repetitive and you can kind of get the gist of it the first time I do it. So my hair is pretty much dry. I still have some wet spots like in the back from where I just put the product in there, but at this point I'm not putting any more product in my hair. I'm just focusing on shaping it because like it's still it's kind of small, but as I blow it out and as I pick it out, you'll be able to see how much bigger that it can get. Product. It's all picked out, blown out as much as I could. It gets bigger like throughout the week or throughout the like 3 days that I wear it. But yeah, this is pretty much it. Comment down below if you want to see more natural hair content from me, because whenever I'm on camera, I always have a wig on. Oops. This video, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. All my social media will be down in the description box, as well as videos that I have uploaded in the past. With that being said, I'll see y'all in my next video.